You know, as we go through this journey of life, there's a lot of things that's influencing us as we do that. And for me, it's about the people that we surround ourselves with. And my family of 10 siblings, French-Canadian family, and a great mother with a strong religious background. She nurtured us, cared for us, and every day showed us love. And you know, that's who I became as far as my morals and values. Then you can understand when she was 50, being diagnosed with stage 2 cancer, how devastated we were as a family. And given only 4 months to live, well, my mother, being the fighter she is, and in her faith and her care that she received, was able to live for 18 more months. And in the final stages of that, she ended up back in the hospital, and about 6 weeks after she was in the hospital, she told us, she said she wanted to come home. And we were so gratified and satisfied with the fact, knowing that Mom wanted to come home to be with us, and knowing that she was entering the last stage of a wonderful, wonderful life. And she passed away 2 weeks after she returned home. During them 2 weeks, you know, she taught me a very valuable lesson and said, Bob, you know, if there's one thing I want you to remember, is that, you know, always treat people the way you want to be treated. And today I see that in myself when I look at where I am today. Believing that lesson 25 years ago has led me into the lives of so many seniors, and seeing the smiles on their faces and the touch of their hand and the sincere thank yous for giving them something as simple as being able to remain in their homes and be cared for by such great caregivers that are there truly to make sure that they live with integrity and respect. To me, that's very, very personal.